In today's video, we will see how to set your preferred font and font size as the default in Microsoft Word. That means whenever you open Microsoft Word, your selected font and font size will automatically appear. By default, Microsoft Word usually opens with the Calibri font and font size 11, but you can easily change it anytime. First, press Ctrl D from your keyboard. This will open the font setting window. Now you select your preferred font from here. Here I am selecting Cambria Math. Then I am setting the font size to 14. After selecting everything, click on the Set as Default option below. A new window will appear where you will see two options. The first one is this document only, and the second one is all documents based on the normal template. Since we want this font and size to be applied automatically to all future documents, I will select all documents based on the normal template and then click OK. As you can see, our preferred font and font size have now been set successfully. Now let's check whether the settings worked properly or not. For this, I am opening Microsoft Word again. As soon as Word opens, we can see that the font and font size we selected are now set as default. This is how you can easily set your preferred font and font size as default in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.